In this video, I will show you 6 exercises to lose belly fat faster. 1. Burpee. The traditional burpee is a 4-point exercise. Drop into a squat with your hands on the ground just in front of your feet, starting from a standing posture. Then, in a raised plank position, kick your feet back behind you while maintaining your arms extended. At this point, the more daring can add a press up to the mix, which significantly increases the difficulty. You stay on the raised plank and hop your feet back towards your hands in the basic burpee. Then finish by leaping into the air with your arms straight above your head. Then repeat the process. 2. Mountain climbers. Climbers are excellent for increasing cardiovascular endurance, core strength, and agility. Put yourself in a plank position, evenly distributing your weight between your hands and toes. Check your form. Your hands should be roughly shoulder width apart, your back should be flat, your abs should be engaged, and your head should be in alignment. Pull your right knee as far as you can into your chest. Switch legs, bringing one knee in and pulling the other out. Keep your hips down and run as long and as quickly as you can with your knees in and out. With each leg change, alternate breathing and exhaling. 4. High knee run. The high knees exercise is a full body, a weight-bearing movement that raises your heart rate, warms your lower and upper body muscles, and prepares you for more difficult workouts and activities. Stand tall with your arms at your sides and your feet about hip to shoulder width apart. Open your chest and use your core muscles while looking straight ahead. Begin by bringing your right knee to your chest, just above the level of your waist.
I don't know what you want.
Move your left hand up in a pumping motion at the same time.
Until I downfall.
Lower your right leg and left hand as quickly as possible.
Right now,
Representative using your right hand and left leg.
the other side, my
For the specified amount of time, alternate your right and left legs.
eye, but you never
5. Elbow push-up. Begin by placing your palms and feet on the floor and aligning your body in a straight line, push-up position. Raise your right hand off the ground, then position your right forearm on the same spot where your hand was previously. Extend your left arm in the same way. Now pick up your right forearm and place it on the ground, palm down. With your left arm, repeat the process. This brings us to the end of 1 repetition. 6. 2 front toes touching. Toe touch is a stretching exercise that mainly targets the hamstrings, but also targets the calves and glutes to a lesser extent. Toes pointing ahead. Stand tall with your feet shoulder width apart. Maintain a straight line with your legs and a slight bend in your knees, with your arms extended down by your sides. This is where you'll begin. Bend forward at the chest and allow your fingers to hang down toward your toes, keeping your body open. Return to the starting position after holding for 20 counts.